Children, class 4th, today we are going to study the lesson number 13, Pani Puri Inside a Spaceship. This lesson is written by Vidya Pradhan. Have you ever thought about what astronauts eat in space? Do you think they eat every day food like us? Join Chiki and Ninu as they learn about the foods which astronauts eat. So in this chapter you will know about the astronauts, how they live their life inside a spaceship when they go in a space mission. So this is a chapter related to Pani Puri inside a spaceship. Now, dinner time. Called Daddy. He was already sitting comfortably at the table. Chiki and Ninu, who were playing outside, came running in. Dinner time. Called Daddy means Daddy said that it was dinner time. Means it was time for taking dinner. He was already sitting comfortably at the table. So so Daddy was sitting easily. Comfortably means easily. At ease at the table. Chiki and Ninu, who were playing outside, came running in. So Chiki and Ninu came running in. Now, what are we having? Asked Ninu. So when Daddy called, Chiki and Ninu came and they asked, what are they going to have as dinner? Mooli paratha, said Mummy. Chiki wrinkled her nose. Yuck, she said. Chiki wrinkled her nose means skin formed into lines or folds. You can see here. So Chiki wrinkled her nose. Yuck, she said. Daddy frowned. Frowned means made a serious, angry or worried expression by bringing one's eyebrows close. So Daddy frowned means he was not. He was looking as if he was angry. Never say that about food, Chiki. So he said that you should not say such thing about food. It smells, said Chiki. It smells means she said that she didn't like that food. Chiki, don't be picky. So now picky means fuzzy, difficult to please. Means you don't behave in a way in which it looks something odd way. So Chiki, don't be picky, chanted Ninu. Chanted means shouted the same words many times. So Ninu said the same words means picky many times as he gobbled up a paratha. Gobbled up means eating in a haphazard way. So as he was eating the paratha, he said that don't say like this for the food. He loved all kinds of food, but his sister was fuzzy. So he loved a variety of food. He didn't make any complaint for the food as his sister was making, because his sister Chiki was fuzzy. Fuzzy means difficult to please. Now Chiki, don't you want to be an astronaut? Asked Mummy. So Mummy asked if she didn't want to become an astronaut. Yes, agreed Chiki. So Chiki agreed yes. Means she wanted to become an astronaut. Mummy was a scientist and Daddy had been a fighter pilot. So mother was scientist and Daddy was a fighter pilot. Who is a fighter pilot? A pilot who flies a fighter plane. Chiki wanted to study science and then someday fly higher than Daddy. So Chiki wanted to study science because astronauts study science and then only they can become an astronaut. And then someday fly higher than Daddy. His daddy was a fighter pilot, so he was flying planes. But she wanted to fly higher than Daddy means she had ambitions higher than his daddy. And she wants to become an astronaut. She wanted to be like the people who fly high into space and are called astronauts or star sailors. So she wanted to become like the people who fly high in the space and are called astronauts or star sailors. So the other name for astronauts is star sailors. Well, said mummy, if you eat your paratha today, I will make astronaut food for you tomorrow. So mother now said that if she means Chiki ate the parathas, then she would make astronaut food for her the next day. Okay, said Chiki happily as she quickly ate her paratha. So Chiki agreed quickly after as she ate the parathas. Now, the next day, Chiki and Ninu eagerly came back from school to see what mummy had made. So, Chiki and Ninu were very eager. Eager means excited. They were excited when they came from school because they were knowing that today mummy would make something special what the astronauts eat. I hope astronauts eat pizza and ice cream, said Ninu. So Ninu thought that her mother must have made pizza and ice cream like this because astronauts must be eating pizza and ice cream. Said Pani and Pani Puri added Chiki. So Ninu said that mother might have made pizza and ice cream, and Chiki thought that she might have made Pani Puri. What is Pani Puri? Fried crunchy balls eaten with a filling and spiced water. Instead, they saw a tube on their plates. So, what the children saw? They saw a tube on their plates. Toothpaste, cried Ninu. So, Ninu cried, toothpaste. Is that what astronauts eat? So, now they were thinking that the astronauts were eating toothpaste. Not toothpaste, mummy smiled. I mashed up rice and dal and put them in the tube. So, mother said that mashed up means grinding it. So crushed so that it become a soft mass. It's the meaning written here in the book. So I mashed up rice and dal and put them in the tube. So she said that she had mashed up the rice and dal and put it in the tube. You can squeeze the food paste into your mouth. So she said that you can squeeze the food in your mouth. Why can't we have rice and dal on a plate instead? So she said that why can't they have rice and dal on a plate? Asked Chiki. Daddy had some on his plate. So that Daddy had got food in his plate. It suddenly looked absolutely delicious. So whatever food was on the plate, it was looking delicious. But the food which was in the tube was not delicious. Daddy pointed to his food. See how it stays on my plate. In space, it would float away. So Daddy pointed towards the food and said that see how it stays on the plate, but in the space it would not be in that manner. It would float away because there is no gravity. That's why the father told. Now it will be coming further. Chiki and Ninu imagined bits of rice floating in the air. So Chiki and Ninu imagined means they thought, suppose the rice is floating in the air, then what would happen? It looks like fun, but it would take very long to finish eating. So so the children says that it look like fun, and it would take very long to finish eating, and tidbits could end up in the spaceship's engine and make a mess. Tidbits would end up in the spaceship engine and make a mess. So these things means these food items would make a mess, means it would not make the look of the spaceship appropriate and would create a confusion there and untidiness also. But why does food float in space? Asked Chiki. It doesn't float down here. So now there is a question in the Chiki's mind that why is the food floating in space? Why not on the earth? On earth we have a force called gravity. It keeps food and all of us from floating into the space. So gravity, whatever the force of gravity means the pull with which the earth attracts the object toward itself. So you can see here gravity meaning the force which causes things to fall to the ground. It's the meaning given here. So the gravity keeps food and all of us from floating into the space, explained Daddy. So gravity is the thing with which the food and we also are not floating, but we are standing on the ground and we don't float, and the food is on the plate, it doesn't float. That is why when we throw a ball up in the air, it falls back. So if anyone asks you the reason why the ball thrown up comes back, then the reason is of gravity. That gravity, what's gravity? Gravity is the force with which earth attracts every object toward itself. So Mummy added, in space there is almost no gravity. So on the space there is no gravity. Astronauts and other things weigh next to nothing. So they float. Means the weight of astronauts is not so much, and they float. Chicky thought about that for a bit and said, if gravity pulls everything close to the ground, and then don't we also need it to make our food go from our mouths down to our stomachs? So Chicky thought about that for a bit means for some time, and said, if gravity pulls everything closer to the ground, then don't we also need it to make our food go from a... So food also requires something to go from mouth to the stomach. So how do astronauts eat? Won't the food float back? Now she's saying when we eat in the space, the food might come to the mouth back because there is no gravity. Then why doesn't it happen? Or if happen, then why? How do astronauts eat? Won't the food float back to their mouth when they try to swallow? Good question, said Daddy. Scientists wonder about that too. The first experiment they did was to have John Glenn, an astronaut, swallow some water. So scientists wonder about this fact also, and they did experiment. Experiment means a scientific test that is done to study what happens and to gain new knowledge. And they did was to have John Glenn, an astronaut. So they made John Glenn, an astronaut, to swallow some water. So we'll continue with the chapter in the next class. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.